blossoms. It's a little botanical garden.
Oh, rose
Roses, yeah.
garden. Wow. Now there are roses too much dried.
This was the other place I was thinking of getting married to. There's a little place up there. A little gazebo up on the hill.
Married here.
Yeah, you get married here.
You get
Huh?
married here.
No, I was thinking of marrying you here instead of at the lake. It was one
Here?
of my choices. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yes.
Usually there are a lot more flowers though. There's a little one. Yeah, you can take a picture of this. And then here's a bunch of lavender.
Careful.
Lavender, grab a little lavender. Honey, grab a little bit.
How?
Just grab it. No. Grab the plant.
Take
Crush it in your fingers.
this one?
Yeah.
Oh, too much. Yeah. No good.